Welcome to the Martin Bailey Photography Podcast. It's October 8, 2018, and this is episode 634. For this week's episode, I'm releasing a new tutorial for our photographer's friend depth of field calculator, in which I've included some practical examples from the field, so this may be useful as a general tutorial even if you don't own Photographer's Friend. I was actually going to just release this video in the background, but with a bunch of stuff that came up and the fact that it's supposed to be a holiday in Japan today, I've decided to make this it for this week. If you are completely uninterested in our iOS app and have no interest in depth of field, I have a nice meaty episode lined up for you next week, so please do stay tuned. If you are interested in this new tutorial though, I've embedded it in a post on the blog, and you can get to that at mbp.ac/634, and it's also on our Photographer's Friend tutorials page, which is at mbp.ac/pf-tutorials. Also, I'd like to give a quick shout out to listener Ron Painter in Australia with a thank you for pointing out that I had a typo in the startup help in the exposure shift calculator. I can't believe I missed out the F in shift, but thank you for bringing some laughter to our breakfast table yesterday morning, Ron. I was actually working on a minor update to the app anyway, so the typo has been fixed in version 3.0.4, which is already on the App Store for people to upgrade. Anyway, that's it. I will be back with a meatier episode next week. If you are interested in the depth of field calculator in Photographer's Friend, do check out the video at mbp.ac/634, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.